What happens now to all that money that was stolen from these Chinese
Parang
nationals?
12 million lang ang na-recover.
Yung 84 million pesos worth of may dollars, may ringgit, may pesos, may jewelry, may expensive watches. Lahat ba ho yan na turnover na ibalik na dito sa mga Chinese nationals? Kasi talagang, di ba, nagreklamo talaga sila na ninakawan po talaga sila. Ito ba'y nabalik na sa kanila or is it being held as evidence?
Wala pa po ako nakikitang na-turnover po yung iba pang hinahanap, pati yung mga gold bar, relo, among others. I have yet to see a report that was returned. Ang alam ko lang po yung binalik, quote-unquote, yung pang-suhol daw nila, di umano. All the rest of it, I have yet to see a report that na-turn over po siya as part of any evidence.
Wow.
So it appears na mukhang wala pa. Sana bumalik kung talagang nawawala. Abangan natin ang susunod na kabanata.
Wow, grabe, nakakahiya tayo.
Meron talagang ganito, merong itong ating kapulisan kapag merong ginagawang operation, minsan buy bust yan or whatever. Yung documentation, yung proper tagging and labeling ng ebidensya, yung chain of custody ng evidence, di ba? Lalo na kung drugs ang pinag-uusapan, yan po ba isaklaw ng NAPOLCOM na yan po ay ayusin po yung sistema na yan para din yung pulis natin, ang lalo po, di ba ang DOJ, tinaasa na po yung antas ng ebidensyang kinakailangan na para po, yung talagang with a reasonable certainty of conviction, yun na po yung ebidensya na kailangan po at mahalaga po ang papel ng ating pulis sa case build-up dun sa scene of the crime. Ano po ba, kanino po ba, saklaw po ba yan ng NAPOLCOM na ayusin po yung kaalaman ng batas ng ating mga kapulisan?
Saklaw na saklaw po ng National Police Commission ang problemang yan. In fact, ito po ang pangatlong buwan ko pa lang sa NAPOLCOM pero we're trying to work on it. Totoo po niyan, Ma'am Ali, yung pong NCRPO, meron po tayong pagpupulong with the IBP, yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines. Lahat po ng IBP presidents ng buong Metro Manila, kasama po ang NCRPO, nagkaroon po tayo ng pagpupulong 2 weeks ago. Magkakaroon po tayo ng pirmahan ng MOA na lahat po ng mga IBP lawyers will be teaching all of our field personnel, all of our operatives on rules on arrests, rules on serving warrants, pati yung Miranda rights ng mga private citizens. To include yung pong drug-related matters, yung pong chain of custody na tinatawag. We are very aware of the current concerns. We are addressing it. It's not a short-term solution. We're looking at long-term solutions to this and systemic solutions at that. Sakop po ng NAPOLCOM po yan at ginagawan po natin ng solusyon sa kasalukuyan.
Attorney, time frame, how long is the IAS? No? How long are you giving them to come up with the report? How long before they should produce all this the evidence, no? Yung mga kinuha po nila, they should turn it over po. Itong si Major Emerson Cobalies, you're giving him until when to surrender? Timeline po natin.
The PNP gave the head of the SOU until yesterday. So I'm awaiting an update as to whether he has surrendered. Obviously, he has not. So obviously, he is now on AWOL.
Okay.
Yung pong deadline po sa IAS, ayon po sa batas, meron po tayong 60 days upon the filing of the complaint until the release of the decision. So sana po, within the 60-day period, even earlier, maglabas na po ng desisyon ng IAS tungkol dito.
Okay.
At yung pong recommendation ng IAS ay ipapasa po sa ating Chief PNP kung saan siya po ay magdedesisyon at yun po ay ipapasa uli sa National Police Commission.
Let's get together, Sunday 25, Sunday 25.